When you purchase from BlackboxMyCar, you can rest assured that not only are you getting a quality product, but also a speedy delivery. We want you to get your new dashcam as quickly and affordably as possible, whether you ordered way in advance or need your dashcam ASAP. During checkout, you'll be given a few delivery options. Standard shipping is free, but if your order is over $150 US or $200 Canadian, you will notice that Rocket shipping with tracking is also free. With Rocket shipping, we can now offer you competitive shipping and delivery, so you can now get your BlackboxMyCar dashcam in as little as 1 day and no more than 2 days. Delivery times for orders made after 2:30 p.m. PST will be calculated from the next business day. If an order is placed on Friday after 2:30 p.m. PST or during the weekend, Saturday or Sunday, it will be shipped out on the following Monday in most cases. For customers in the contiguous states, you're looking at about 1 to 2 days. Outside the contiguous states, it will be an extra day, so anywhere from 1 to 3 days, door to door. For Canadian customers in BC, Alberta, Saskatchewan, Manitoba, Ontario, and Quebec, you can expect your order to arrive at your doorstep within 1 to 2 days. If you're outside of these provinces, you will need to allow an extra day for the delivery, in other words, 1 to 3 days. We know that the holidays can be a very hectic time for our customers, so our priority is to make sure you get your order as problem-free as possible. And you can be sure that we will be working around the clock to make sure you get your dashcam in as little time as possible.